Bonjour and bienvenue to the Paris Plan Festival de Cannes special. If you've been following along on Instagram, Facebook or TikTok, you would have seen that we were at the red carpet event last night for Mission Impossible, The Final Reckoning, with director Christopher McQuarrie and, bien sûr, Tom Cruise. The event was so fun. There was an orchestra playing as the cast and crew mounted the tapis rouge. The action thriller, as expected, was big, bold, dramatic, and suspenseful, of course. And it had a 5-minute standing ovation. We were there. Take a look. You saw the film this morning in the press conference at 8:30. What did you think?
Well, it's very impressive. And first of all, maybe somebody don't like films like this genre, for example, blockbuster. But when you can realize that he's doing everything in real, this is much more impressive than just seeing on the screen somebody who is trying to say world. And now I'm preparing my report also, and I wrote the text, and I was thinking that he could fight and he could win all our human fears, no? Yes, to high, to down in the ocean, and
there were submarines, helicopters.
Everywhere. And yesterday, maybe it was yesterday, there was a meeting with the director and him, and he was talking how he's feeling about this. How can we step and moving forward without stop without our fears. And it was very philosophical, so very deep, much more than just only the new movie. And it was very impressive for me. When I was watching the film, I was thinking, yes, he will survive, because yesterday he was here with us, and he will really survive, because it was very real sense. It was very...
Yes, but it still has a message. What was that message in a nutshell?
The message, it was the same, how is the previous series, they save the world, humanity, and fight the dark and white. It's very good. Yes, it's very good, but I think that this final episode is much bigger, not just only bigger on the, how to say, on the... reagent, yes. That is much bigger, deeper inside, and also very impressive on the screen, I think.
Le JC Concerto Orchestra, merci à eux.
Et qu'est-ce que vous aimez le plus sur le film?
C'est toutes ces scènes improbables de Mission Impossible. Tom Cruise qui fait des cascades sur un avion, enfin tout ce qui est improbable. Et il y a aussi pas mal d'humour, bizarrement. Sur les autres Missions Impossibles, c'est pas le cas, mais là, il y a pas mal de second, troisième degré qui sont assez rigolos, donc on rigole pas mal aussi. Voilà. Et les comédiens, ils sont géniaux, ils sont vraiment géniaux. Après, on va pas se mentir, ça reste un film américain, avec tous les clichés du film américain, les petites à la fin qui n'en finit pas, où ils se retrouvent, machin. Bon, je vais pas vous spoiler la fin, mais bon, c'était un bon moment au Festival de Cannes, et la salle, elle était chaude. Quand il y a une séquence avant le générique qui fait 10 minutes, quand le générique est apparu, les gens ils étaient fous, tout le monde applaudissait, c'était génial. Bonne ambiance, voilà.
Super. Bon festival.
Merci mademoiselle.
Dans le formidable écart du monde, J.J. Abrams avait signé le 3e
experience is why we do it. Thank you all for being here, for supporting us.